After that gorgeous sunset, it's almost time for dinner. There's a new arts and cultural park on the northwest side of Xiaoliuqiu. This is also a great place to watch the sunset and the night view. Inside, you can check out art exhibitions, grab a drink, and even a meal. But the best part is the green lawns and the hammocks where you can lay down and relax. It's the perfect place to enjoy local delicacies and drinks in a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. Wow, this all looks so good. I am so hungry, I could eat a whole horse right now. So, let's see. This first dish must be fried mahi-mahi. And then this must be braised pork and squid, dried mahi-mahi, and fried flying fish. I'm gonna dig in. Oops, can't get it up. Wow. It's fried so well. It's crispy on the outside, and it's so soft and tender on the inside. It just falls apart in your mouth. All of this was caught in Xiaoliuqiu, so that is why it's so fresh and it's so amazing. It's just so tender. All right, let's try the next one. It's really good. So I just tried the braised pork and squid. I never thought that there would be this kind of pairing. Like, I never thought to put pork and squid together. Like, that's a very odd pairing, but it works so well. Hats off to you. I am very excited about this fried flying fish. I mean, look at it. It's so cute. It looks like it's just gonna get up and fly away. But it's so cute. Like, how can people just eat this, honestly? I'm gonna give it a shot. It's really good. And it's fried so thoroughly that even the bones inside can be just swallowed down. It's so soft. Just wanted to steal another bite. Eating here isn't the only good thing about this place. The other really amazing thing is the view. The view here is absolutely incredible. You've got the sea up front with the waves crashing into the corals. You've got the stars shining in the sky and you've got the wind blowing in your face. It's amazing. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Like, it's a 10 out of 10. You should definitely come here, try the food, and just enjoy the atmosphere.